Hi guys, welcome to the Bike Century. My name's Ben and today we're going to be looking at this absolutely awesome KTM Super Duke 990. This is the first generation of the bike, made in 2005 on an 05 plate. It's covered just over 13,000 miles from new and it's got a fully stamped service history. This bike's been really well loved. I really like these bikes. Still look incredibly modern when you compare it to today's sort of sports nakeds and stuff like that. So it's a 990 V-twin, 120 horsepower, and it's a really naughty bike. This great fun to ride, really responsive, handles just like a sports bike but a lot more comfortable, really punchy motor, and of course it sounds amazing. So let's have a look around it. So non-radially mounted brakes, but they are Brembos on 310mm discs. This bike has had some Michelin Pilot Road 5s fitted, which are a really good current tyre. Upside down forks made by WP in really nice condition. Upside down forks, as you can see, no pitting or anything like that. Front end of the bike's in really nice condition. Very few stone chips and things like that on the headlight and just behind the wheel, which is a common problem with any naked, particularly one that's getting on for being sort of 18 years old. Not really been modified that much, it's just had some tasteful bits put onto it. So you can see the KTM axle protectors on the front wheel there. The front end, other than that, is standard. It's got some braided hoses on the front end, which is a nice modification. You can see that we've got some crash protection now on the right hand side, possibly from R&G, and we've also got braided hose upgrade on the back. And as we pan up, you can see these really nice Leo Vince exhausts as well. Quite an unusual colour scheme this. So this is like a two-tone black rather than your traditional KTM orange. It's finished in a variety of different finishes, from gloss black paint to like a satin finish on the plastics. Overall, I'd say the bike's in really nice condition for the year, but there's a few little marks here and there. But there's no major scrapes or bangs or paint flaking or any breaks in the fairings or anything like that at all. It's been really well loved. On the back, you can see we've got some paddock stand bobbins, which are a really nice modification. We've got the standard WP white power suspension, and as you can see, there's a carbon fibre hugger, and on the other side, there's a carbon fibre chain guard as well. Let's come around the back. So there you can see the carbon fibre chain guard. Things like chain and sprockets and everything like that are checked before they go out, but on this bike, they seem to be in very good condition. The bike is also fitted with an Optimate lead as well, which is just hanging out the side, just here. Again, on this side, the bodywork's in really nice condition. No signs of any drops, bangs or scrapes. And of course, the bike is HPI clear, as you'd expect from a dealer. As we come up, you can see that we've got R&G bar ends, and we've got some nice domino grips. These are like gel coated, so being a V-twin, you do get a bit more vibration. So having a gel coated grip is quite a nice thing. We've got two keys for the bike. Very kind of agricultural look to the clocks and stuff like that. It's part of KTM's heritage, I guess. Right, let's give it a start up for you. Turn that off before I gas myself out. These pipes sound amazing. I don't think the video really does it justice, but they sound absolutely monstrous, as you'd expect from a V-twin of this kind of size. Becoming quite a rare sought after bike now. Don't expect this to be here very long. We are offering free delivery for the remainder of the lockdown period, so try and take advantage of that while you still can. We also offer finance, we offer part exchange, and we can either offer a physical viewing, a video viewing, or of course, you can just simply buy over the phone. In terms of contacting us, you can reach out to us via WhatsApp. We've got Facebook Messenger, we've got live chat on our website and on Auto Trader, and of course I'm happy to have a conversation as well. We do offer some discount for any accessories purchased with a bike, and of course we can fit them for you before you collect or we deliver. That's it for me. Thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.